In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Hostinger, a popular web hosting platform. Whether you're setting up a new website or updating an existing one, knowing how to upload files to your hosting account is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and easy experience. First, we need to access the Hostinger hPanel. Simply log into your Hostinger account using your credentials. Once inside, navigate to the Websites section on the dashboard. You'll find all your hosted sites listed here. Next, locate the site you want to manage. To do this, click on the Manage button next to the site in question. Now that you're exploring the management options for your website, you'll notice a sidebar on your left. What you're looking for here is the File Manager option. Click on it, and it will expand. Alongside that, you'll see folders representing various parts of your website's file structure. If you're working with your main domain, direct your attention to the folder named public.html. For subdomains or add-on domains, you'll need to select the corresponding folder. This ensures that your files go to the right place on your server. With the right folder open, it's time to upload your files. Look at the top menu, and you should see an Upload button marked with an upward arrow. Click on this button to initiate the upload process. A window will pop up, allowing you to select the files you wish to upload from your computer. You can choose a variety of files, whether it's HTML, CSS, images, or even zip files containing backups or other resources. The platform supports most file types up to a robust 100 gigabytes in size, making it versatile for different needs. After selecting your files, go ahead and upload them. The process usually completes quickly, depending on the size and number of your files. Once your files, especially zip files, are uploaded, there's one more step to take if they're compressed. For zip files, right-click on the file name in the File Manager. A menu will appear, giving you the option to extract. Choose this to unpack the contents of the zip file directly into the folder you've designated. This step is particularly useful when you're uploading a batch of files or a complete website backup. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're effectively uploading and managing your website files on Hostinger's platform. Make sure all your files are in the correct folders to maintain website functionality and organization. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more web hosting tips and tricks.